Hello children, welcome once again in the part 2 of the same topic, that is sentences. As you remember, in the last video we have studied about the sentence, what is a sentence actually, then its parts and one of its kinds, that is declarative sentence. In this video we will discuss what is an interrogative sentence, how it is formed, and what are the essential features or what are the essential things which we should remember when we are framing an interrogative sentence. Let's begin. An interrogative sentence contains a direct question. Of course, as the name suggests, interrogative sentence contains a direct question. That means when you are asking a question, here it means that when we are framing or when we are speaking an interrogative sentence, that means a question sentence, we are expecting an answer. We want more information about something, and that is why we are asking the questions. So these interrogative sentences are also called as asking sentences, right? Because we are asking something, we want to gather the information. So the interrogative sentence contains a direct question or an interrogation mark. An interrogative sentence contains a direct question and an interrogation mark, which means, like we have seen in the declarative sentences, that it ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentences ends with a question mark. As we all know, the question mark, this is a question mark. If we see this symbol or this punctuation mark at the end of a sentence, we understand that this sentence belongs to the category of interrogative sentences, right? That is why an interrogative sentence contains a direct question and an interrogation mark is put at the end of the sentence. As with the other sentences in English, as I told you, there are different types of sentences. So like other sentences in English, it should also include a subject and the verb. In interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence will also have a subject and a verb, which is the first and the foremost condition for a group of words to be any kind of sentence. And the word order is often changed. Now, why the word order is often changed? Because we have to add few WH words to frame an interrogative sentence, right? So we add WH word, then we add auxiliary, and then we put the subject. So that is why the word order is often changed to put the verb in front of the subject. Generally, in declarative sentence, we put the verb after the subject, but in interrogative sentences, verb is put before the subject. And those words are auxiliary words like is, am, are, was, were, can, could, have, had, in this way. We cannot put the main verb in front of the subject. So, there are few WH words like when, where, why, what, which, who, whom, whose. I will quickly take what, because when, where, why we all know. When is asked for the time, where is asked for the place, and why is used for the reason. So when we ask a question with when, of course it's a time. Where, ask the place of the action. Why, ask the reason. Then what, why is what used? What is used for inanimate objects. For example, inanimate objects means non-living things. For example, what kind of music do you want to dance to? Now, music is of course a non-living entity. That is why we are using what? Which it is generally used when asking questions about a choice, right? Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite dress? Which is your favorite ice cream? In this way. For example, which car would make you happier? Which subject do you want to start before studying? Which do you prefer, white or red? Correct? Now, who? Who is used for people. Who is used for people. When you're asking up something about a person, about people, that time we use who. Who is used for individuals in a question sentence. Whose is also used for individuals in a question sentence. For example, whose is this red big notebook? Whom did you call the party tomorrow? Clear? So the framing of the sentence is like you have to add WH words, then you have to put an auxiliary, not the main verb. Always remember an auxiliary, and then we put the subject. Is that clear? WH words are when, where, why, what, which, who, whom, whose. As declarative sentences also has two forms. Similarly, interrogative sentence also has two forms. Which are those two forms? First form, which we have seen just now, which begins with WH word, an interrogative sentence beginning with WH word. Similarly, an interrogative sentence beginning with auxiliary. See, look at these three, first and second and the last one. These interrogative sentences are beginning directly with auxiliaries. We are not adding any WH word to it, right? So there are two ways to form interrogative sentences. First is with WH words, another is with auxiliary. Here remember, whenever we are framing interrogative with WH, we still have to use an auxiliary. I'm reading out the examples. Can we repeat the question? Can you repeat the question? Are you going to have recess today? Do you have an extra pencil? Now see, what is the speciality of WH question and an interrogative made with auxiliary? Whenever it's a WH question, they are also called as open-ended questions, which means you will require, you are asking these questions for more information. That means open-ended. The answers to such questions, the answers to WH questions may vary from a sentence to many sentences. But when we are framing, when we are asking an interrogative sentence with an auxiliary, it is always meant to be a close-ended question. That means the answer would be yes or no, with the same sentence followed. For example, if I take this first one, can you repeat the question? The answer could be yes or no. If I say yes, yes, I can repeat the question. No, I can't repeat the question. The last one. Do you have an extra pencil? At times, it happens with us. We forget pencil at home and we need to write something very important in the notebook or in the book and we don't have the pencil. Even in your math classes, you need pencil very often. So you ask the question to your friend, do you have an extra pencil? Now the answer could be yes or no. Your friend may say, yes, I do have an extra pencil. Or your friend may say, no, I don't have an extra pencil. So the answers to these auxiliary or yes no type questions will always be yes or no. That is why they are termed as close ended. And the questions which begin with WH words, they are termed as open ended questions. Always remember, an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. It has two forms. First form, which is made with the help of WH words, and the auxiliaries like here, will, do, haven't, okay, would are used. And the next form is an interrogation or an interrogative sentence made with the help of auxiliaries. These are close-ended questions. That means the answer will only be yes or no. Few more examples quickly to just reinforce the idea, the concept. Are you happy? The answer will be yes or no. Yes, I am happy. No, I am not happy. Was the vacation nice? The answer again would be yes or no. Do you love your country? Yes, I do love my country. Clear? In this manner, we can answer these questions as yes or no. I hope, children, you have got an idea about how interrogative sentences are made, what are its types, what are its forms, right? So here we come to the end of our video. Thank you very much.